YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make delicious superior buttercream. Let's start with the ingredients. You need 250 grams of white margarine. Now you can use butter. The reason I'm using white margarine is because there's a big difference in price, and if you're using the white margarine you just need to use a little pinch of salt. You've got a kilogram of icing sugar. Sift your icing sugar beforehand, and then I've got 100 mils of milk powder. Now you can use any milk powder, not coffee cream, but milk powder. And then I've got 5 mils of vanilla essence. And on top of that, we've got 80 mils of warm water, just from the tap. You might not need to use all of this. If it's a hot day, you won't need to use all the water. The water is just to soften the buttercream. Right, let's begin now. We're going to pop this into the mixer. And I'm only going to put half the amount of the icing sugar in to start off with. Oops. That's what happens when you put it in too quickly. I'm going to put in all the milk powder, and there's a pinch of salt in there as well, and the vanilla essence and the water. I'm just going to put in half the amount of water to begin with. And I'm using the paddle, not the whisk. You use the paddle when you're mixing your buttercream. Pop that in there. And I'm just going to put the cover over just to prevent it from all blowing out. And we're going to start on slow and gradually increase. And your margarine needs to be softened, so keep it at room temperature. Gradually increase the speed. And then you can add the balance of the icing. Just remove this from the mixer, from the stand, and just pop the rest in. Once you've got the rest of your icing in, you just pop it back down. Remember to put your cover over, and start off slowly and then increase the speed. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. It is quite cold today, so the temperature does affect it. Scrape down the sides of the bowl regularly. It's winter here today, so the icing is quite stiff, so it just needs a good beat. You just want to scrape all that down. And that's it. So once you've blended all your ingredients, you can scrape it all off the paddle. And there you have your icing already. If you use butter, you're going to get a yellow tinge to your buttercream. If you use white margarine, you will get the white margarine color, the white icing. Can we cut that out?